To connect your Coinbase wallet, start by opening the relevant tab and selecting the Connect Exchange option, which can be found in the middle of the screen. From the list of exchanges, choose Coinbase and add it. You will then see a screen where you can enter your Coinbase API and secret key. To obtain these, copy the IP address shown. Then open your Coinbase account and navigate to the settings page by clicking on your profile. Scroll down to find the API option. Select it, and then click on New Legacy API Key. A window will open where you can enter a nickname for your API key and paste the IP address into the second box. Click the Create and Download button, and you may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication, which could involve entering a 6-digit code sent to your registered mobile number. Once this is complete, you can obtain your API key and secret key. Copy the API key and paste it into the relevant section. Then copy the secret key and paste it into the final box. Finally, click the Connect button to link your accounts.